When Christmas comes around the corner, there are gifts to be purchased, cookies to be baked, and community events at which to celebrate. As the holiday season progresses, many people might find that they are running short on time to get everything done. One task that can come across as most daunting is the decoration of your home for the holidays. While you may aim to make every room full of Christmas cheer, the dining room and kitchen dining decorations in your home take precedence. You cannot wait to welcome family and friends around your dining or kitchen table and to your kitchen bar or island. You look forward to watching them dig into amazing food, and you get a kick out of kicking those Christmas celebrations into full swing. To help you prepare for decorating your dining and kitchen table spaces and the area around them this holiday season, we have provided below 5 Christmas table decor ideas. Any of these ideas will make any holiday party, brunch, or dinner full of great food and festive cheer. 5 Christmas dining table decor ideas. 1. Bring in live greenery. Live greenery screams Christmas. Not only will its addition bring good energy to a space, but the smells that accompany it help set the Christmas mood. There are all kinds of ways that you can use greenery on dining tables and spaces during Christmas. It is not just the table that can be decorated. Get creative and consider adding fresh garland to items like buffets and bars, or to the chandelier above the table. 2. Mix in the old with the new. Another cool suggestion is to mix in old items with new items. Look at local antique stores, vintage shops, and resale stores to find Christmas decor that will bring personality to any dining space. Antique, vintage, and rare items can bring up wonderful memories of Christmases past. They can also help foster conversation should people in the party be lacking Christmas cheer. 3. Showcase family heirlooms. One idea is to showcase family heirlooms. Brighten up a kitchen dining table with a snowman centerpiece using a snowman your kid made at school. The kids will love it, and it will remind everyone to be lighthearted during the holiday season. In your formal dining room, place a tall, clear vase in the middle of the table. Make a centerpiece by filling the vase with family heirloom ornaments, beads, and greenery. Your table centerpieces for informal and formal spaces can look amazing when using family heirlooms. You can make one central centerpiece, or you can put 3 centerpieces on the tables. Combine 3 unique items into one centerpiece or space out centerpieces evenly along the table. 4. Showcase seasonal china, cutlery, and serving pieces. There are all kinds of great decor ideas for the table that use seasonal china and cutlery. No matter the budget, you can find Christmas tableware that will set the mood you desire. If you cannot budget fine china for the season, look at resale stores and online outlets to round out your table decoration needs. However, a set of nice Christmas china, cutlery, and serving pieces is a wise investment. It is something that your family will come to cherish for years. 5. Add to existing decor. Holiday decor and table decorations does not have to be only done with items that are specific to Christmas. Your plates and stemware used year-round can be used during the holidays too. Combine festive napkins and ideas mentioned above with existing items. If you already have white plates, just add a breadth of Christmas color with appropriate napkins folded on top of them. Don't worry about buying Christmas-specific eating utensils. Find inexpensive silverware rings in Christmas colors. There is no need to go out and break the bank trying to have the latest or most expensive decoration ideas. Be sure to also work with what you already have. Conclusion. While there are definitely other ideas out there to pursue, the 5 holiday decor ideas presented above are guaranteed ways to make any dining table and dining space full of Christmas cheer. Be sure to check online and with family and with friends to get all kinds of great ideas for Christmas decorating. Check Pinterest, YouTube, and other self-help platforms that present ideas and how to make those ideas happen. However, upon reading this blog, we hope you don't have to look any further. We also hope that you have a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy your decorating and enjoy your Christmas.